Good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream new home build series. Well, today's a big day across the street. Want to make sure that we capture it. They're getting their big pour. This will probably be one of the last real big pours of the build. Maybe another big pour when they do the roof, but mainly this one. This is the first floor. Let's go ahead and get today started. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Hey guys!
Hey, how you doing?
Big day for you, huh?
It is.
This is the big. This is the probably the biggest pour you'll have. The next pour after this will be small because it'll be the roof. Yes. However they do it, they probably do it by hand. I don't know. I don't know what they plan on doing. Anyway, so I think we're gonna try to do something a little different today. I think what we're gonna try to do is to try to capture this pour from the bird's eye view, and we'll do it into a time lapse. I think that'll be really interesting seeing it like that instead of doing what they do right here and just a little bit of captures.
Actually, today.
Well, as you can see, they're finishing off this project over here manually, doing some hand mix for the garage area. Now, when you order concrete from the READYMIX company, what they're going to do is they're going to deliver it to you, and they have a minimum amount and a maximum amount they can put in each truck that come out to your house. If you order, it is much better if you have a little bit left over instead of wasting your money, because it's very expensive on READYMIX. Instead of doing that, and you can see what they did, they were able to finish the entire project back here, everything except for this small amount inside the garage. So what they're doing, they're finishing it up here, so they don't spend all the additional extra costs that you would pay and waste any concrete from a READYMIX truck. Well, there you have it. That's the end of today's episode. And again, I always enjoy big pours. I don't know if they're going to call the pour when they do the roofing portion a big pour, or if they're just going to do, again, manually. I don't know what they're going to do, but we'll see that when it happens. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And I want to thank Romeo, Sir Romeo, for dropping off some pizza over here. They always treat the crew. Every Saturday he treats his crew to some type of a big weekly, end of the week type of a gathering. And the last 2 weeks he's been getting pizza from S&R, and a lot of times when they have extra pizza left over, he comes over here and they drop it off. So thank you, Romeo. Thank you very much. We love pizza, especially New York South pizza from S&R. The closest thing you can get to American pizza over here in the Philippines that I've seen. Again, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. We'll continue to cover this build across the street from us with the very next build, which has to do with probably doing a bunch of the concrete hollow block, because it's going to go fast. I tell you, once you get all this done, everything else goes super fast. Again, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed today's episode, please give me a thumbs up. Please share. And if you have not subscribed, just click on that little My PI Dream heart. And the bottom right hand side of your screen, you'll be subscribed and you'll be notified if you ring that bell next time I upload a new video. So until such time, from right here in the beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.